Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 6, and its title is Caterpillar Garden. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, our today's lecture number 4, under the title of Grammar, we will learn about helping words. What are helping words and how we can use them in different ways. So my dear students, before in English for grade 1, you have already learned about substitution words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about it. Use am, is, are with different substitution and pointing words, short sentences to identify and describe a person, place and thing, e.g. I am. Got it, my dear students? So we will explain this SLO because already we have learned about substitution word and pointing words. So definitely with pointing words, substitution words, and which type of helping verb we are using. So today we are going to get about that. Okay. So my dear students and my dear teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 2. This is the book of Allah. There is no doubt in it. It is guidance for the pious. Subhanallah, my dear students. This beautiful verse is telling us that about the book of Almighty Allah. So what is the book of Almighty Allah? Yes, my dear students, you're right. The book of Almighty Allah means Al-Quran. So Al-Quran is a complete guidance for the Muslims, for the pious people who are doing good deeds, good jobs, good actions in this world. So this is a proper guidance for those peoples. Okay. So my dear students, there I have highlighted this. This is a word again here is. So do you know these words? Yes. Now today we are going to get about such type of words. So are you ready? So here is a question for you, because already you have learned what are substitution words. What are pointing words? Already in previous lecture we have learned in substitution words also, in pointing words also, even in our grade 2 in unit number 6. So try to remember and discuss it with your teacher and then come back. Welcome back, my dear students, and I hope you have got that how we use different substitution words to replace a naming word and how we point different things using pointing words. Okay, so now let's see, we are going to move towards our lesson. We use substitution words to replace naming words. As you know that we use substitution word, my dear students, to replace a naming word. Okay, so what are substitution words? See there, I, we, you, he, she, it and they. So these are called subjective substitution words, my dear students. So these substitution words we use when we replace a naming word. Okay. Pointing words, we use these to refer to people and things near to us. We use those for people and things that are far away from us. Okay, already we have discussed in our previous lecture, my dear students, when we talk about things, those are near to us means near to the speaker. That one is speaking, that one is pointing. So near to us. So then we use this or these, and when the things are far away means far away from the speaker. So they use that and those. Have you got that? See there. We use is with singular substitution words and pointing words, am with I, and are with plural substitution words and pointing words. So yes, my dear students, we are talking about 3 helping verbs. Keep remember is, am, are. So is being used when the substitution word or pointing word is singular. Okay, so then we will use is, and if the substitution words and our pointing words are plural. Plural mean more than one. Okay, two are more than two. So then we have to use are. But the main thing is that the helping verb am. Helping verb am. Am we have to use just with I. Okay, you have to keep remember that when we are talking about I, like myself, so then we will use am as a helping verb. Okay, so see there examples like he is, she is, it is, this is, that is. Got it? These are he, she, it, my dear students, substitution words, and it is also pointing word. So singular, that's why there is, and I am, we are, they are, these are, those are. Got it? So when these are so plural, so what we have used? We have used are, because these are more than two. Substitution word and pointing words. Have you got that? Good. Now we are moving toward examples. She is a girl. You can see that. She, substitution word. Have you got that? And girl is singular naming word. So that's why we have used is. Have you got that, my dear students? She is a girl because there is a single girl. Okay. One girl is there. Next. He is a boy. So keep remember, my dear students, when there is a naming word boy or a male, so then we have to remove it, replace it by the substitution word he. So he is a boy, so definitely he is one, single. So that's why we have used helping verb is. Next is we are a family. Look, family. How many persons are there? Father, mother, brother, sister, 4 persons are there. That's why, and substitution word is we. Why there is substitution word we? Because they are naming words are plural, and when we are talking about plural naming words, plural substitution words, so we have to use plural helping verb are. Have you got that? Next. They are children. They are children. So have you got that, my dear students? Good. So in this way we can divide and we can differentiate and we can identify that where we have to use singular helping verb and where we have to use plural helping verb. See there. I'm smiling. Wow. She's smiling. I'm smiling. So I am. Okay, I am. So have you judged that? With I, we have to use am as a helping verb, as a main verb. Is it clear? See there. Next, what are helping words? Let's see that. We place helping words after the subject and the main action words in a sentence, like she is cooking. Have you got that? My dear students, as a helping verb, as a main verb, when we are talking about singular things, so we use is. When you are talking about plural substitution words are naming words, we have to use are. Is it clear? Now it's time to move towards an activity. Okay, see there. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to get students in pairs. Each student from the pair will have to make a sentence by using is, am, and are. One student will make sentence by using substitution words and the other by using pointing words. Okay, you have to work into pairs, my dear students, and my dear teacher, you will get them in pair and then you will give them task to make a word by using substitution word and a pointing word. Okay, so pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Good job. Welcome back. So my dear students, on question number 8, you have to complete the sentences by using is, am, and are. Now I hope you are able to recognize and identify where we have to use is and where we have to use are and am. So this is activity on your book, and this is individual activity you have to perform in your class individually. So pause the video and perform this activity on your books. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it. Excellent. What's your homework? You have to write 10 sentences using is, am, and are in your notebook. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form. So we must be able to get that, how students can underline the helping verb in each sentence. Are they able to recognize that these are helping words? Okay. So what we have covered today, we learned today to use am, is, are with different substitution and pointing words in short sentences to identify and describe a person, place, and thing, e.g. I am, we are, she is. Okay, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have got that how we can use different helping verbs with different substitution and pointing words. Okay, so tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.